5 distinguished panels of judges comprising experts from both industry and academia. And we are grateful for their time and expertise in evaluating the projects. Each team will present their project along with a live demo to one of these panels, followed by a question and answer session who judges will dig deeper into the project. We are honored to welcome the members of Academia expert Mr. V. Devashekar. Mr. V. Devashekar is currently working as professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. He has pursued Diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering (DECSE) from the College of Engineering, Amboghai, Aurangabad University, Maharashtra, MTech SE, and JNTUH University, Hyderabad. He is currently pursuing PhD from Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore, Tamil Nadu, India, in the area of machine learning. Having 24 years of rich experience in teaching and 10 years of HOD CSC2 in the Guru Nanak Institution's technical campus. He presented many papers in the national and international conference and journals. He is currently working as Department NBA Coordinator, Department Exam Branch Coordinator, Central Level Discipline Coordinator in Guru Nanak Institution's technical campus. We extend a warm welcome to our industrial expert, Mr. Rishabh Sharma. Rishabh S is a dynamic and passionate technology enthusiastic with over 6 years of experience in the IT industry, currently serving as a senior associate consultant at Infosys. He possesses a strong foundation in diverse technologies, honed through active participation in national level hackathons and contributions to international tech communities. With a background in computer science from GH Rosai College of Engineering, Nagpur, and a polytechnic degree, Rishabh is committed to continuous learning and innovation in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Now, let us see some of the guidelines. Each team will have a specific time slot for the presentation for 8 minutes, followed by question and answer with the judges for 5 minutes. There will be a warning buzzer after 6 minutes. Teams are reminded to bound with the time limits to ensure that the event runs smoothly. At the end of the session, we will be sharing a feedback link and the results will be announced on 10th May. The order of the presentations are: first presentation will be Concept Crew 0, second Control V, next goes with Devika, and next with Digital Dreamers, Digital Peaks, Triboids, Samvedna, Tech Innovators, Tech Sentinels, The Alchemist, Activity Gurus, Theory Titans, and last go with Sunrisers. Now, let's proceed with the presentation. Our first presentation is by the Concept Crew, Shakti Mitra Digital Agri Marketplace, from Takshila Institute of Engineering and Technology, Dharapur, Amaravati. Showcasing the project title, please begin your presentation. I request the team members Abhay Puri and Harsh Takre to continue with the presentation.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I start?
Yeah, you can start, no problem. Yeah.
Sir, as per we submitted our presentation, I am Abhay Puri from Concept Crew team, and our project is the Shetkari Mitra, is a digital agri marketplace designed to connect the farmers directly with the companies and eliminating the intermediaries and ensuring better pricing and fair trade. Sir, basically our website is about to provide a platform to the farmers to get their profit on the agriculture goods like wheats, jowars, etc. So removing the middleman like market brokers in between the market chain. Sir, before the proceeding our project, we have to explain the traditional marketing chain of our India. Sir, in our traditional marketing system, farmer go to market and they sell their goods to the market dealer. But that dealer is sit there for his profit. They don't care about the any farmers or like that. So what the dealer do, sir, they stores the goods in the market, and when there is a shortage or any increasing in the price of that good, they sells they came out and they came out and sells that goods on the high prices. Sir, in this case there is only loss of farmer. So it is our the traditional marketing of our traditional market chain. Sir, for this we are come with our of a solution, that is the Shetkari Mitra website. Sir, basically on this website, farmer have to register their profiles, and by this their profiles website, after the login and profile creation of the profile, farmer uh, farmer farmers have to add their stocks they are available of the any agriculture goods, and pricing of that goods and etc. So sir, if the company have to buy that goods, so the company also register themselves on the website, and as they go on the search bar, they simple they have to search only the wheat, jowar, or anything they want. Sir, as they search, uh, uh, there is the full list of the goods and farmers according to the prices and quantity in the quintals. So because of this, there is one tab of the contact farmer. Sir, as we affordable of the price and quantity, we can contact that farmer directly with the mobile number or email ID. Sir, further explanation I would like to call Harsh Thakre.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Myself Harsh Thakre. I am the student of second year CSE. It is the honor to present our innovation project at Virtual Vista. Our project Shetkari Mitra is a digital marketplace designed to connect farmers and directly with companies, eliminating intermediaries and ensuring the better prices and fair trade. As you know, my friend already explained the problem statement of our project. Now I am going to tell about the special and innovative concept of our website. That is the payment process. The after farmer register and company buys their good, and the after verification, it is a two-step payment process ensure security and trust between the buyers and sellers. Our two-step payment process, this is the specially designed to foster trust between us, the company, and our valued partners, the farmers of Shetkari Mitra. So how does it work? In step 1, the company pays. We initiate the payment to the Shetkari Mitra for their produce and service. Then in next step, uh, these funds are held securely. They aren't immediately transferred. This acts as a safeguard until the delivery is confirmed by us. Only after the company confirms satisfactory receipt of the goods do we proceed to the final stage. Farmers paid the securely held funds, and then realized to the farmers. This unique two-step verification uh, this unique two-step method ensures transparency and security for both parties. It guarantees payment for the farmers upon successful delivery and assures the company receives what was agreed upon. And importantly, should any discrepancies arise, we have a fair dispute resolution mechanism ready. Now I am going to show you website. This is a first page or home page of our website, where farmer can register. We already registered and created account. So now we'll log in as a company. In this in this page, the company member can see the all goods or register stocks by farmers, where he can search as per his requirement and directly contact to the farmer and directly contact to the farmer. As a farmer, you can register here simply. It is a very user friendly interface, so farmers can easily can use this.
Sorry for the interruption, but you have more than 2 minutes for your presentation, so please try to conclude it fast within the 2 minutes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
You can complete your presentation within 2 more minutes. You can show your presentation.
So in the future scopes, we can also added the services like soil testing services, which after providing insights for better farming, that credit and insurance, which helps or enabling farmers to access the financial support and training programs, also educating farmers on modern techniques. With this enhancement, we aim to build a fully integrated digital agriculture ecosystem. In conclusion, Shetkari Mitra is not just a marketplace. It's a movement toward fairer and more efficient and technology-driven agriculture. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Concept Group. I request the industrial member and academia member to note the evaluation marks.
Hi, hi team. So I have few questions here. That was a really great presentation from your side. I have two, three things to clear out here. How your project competes with the similar platforms which is already present, like from the government side as well, like National Agriculture Market, AgriBazaar, Ninja Cart. So all those stuffs are also all those platforms are also serving the similar things. How your idea is a bit uh, different than that. Maybe anyone from your team can answer this one.
Sir, I think that all the websites are that dealers makes their many much profit on that website, sir. But this as we the freshers or starter of these websites, we provide the very less sir, means very less rate of less rate of sir means
Yeah, I understand there will be no brokerages and
yes,
all. I understand
yes
that,
sir.
but there are some government sites as well which are also serving the same purpose to remove the middlemen, so that there should be more profit with the farmers. So I understand the project here, but I just wanted to know what exclusive which is there in your project, which is not there in the existing one. I understand with that two-step payment method as well, but still, what else is there which is so good in your project which is not there in that? Okay, no problem. Devshikar, you can continue next.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just one small question. What is the credibility of your project, Mr. Abai?
Sir, sorry, I
What is the
can't hear.
credi- What is the credibility of your project? Credibility of your project, please. Is it audible?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yeah, yeah, please. Yeah. Or you can just go through what is the parameter that is separating your application with the existing applications?
Uh, Sir, as I told, sir, we take very we didn't apply the that much of brokerage on this website.
Mhm.
Sir, it is the and sir, we have the two step payment method also. That
That's okay.
that makes unique than existing websites.
That's okay, but the same thing which sir has questioned, right? So
Yes, sir.
yeah, in what way your project is better than what was existing? So what is that makes your project better than existing these things, right?
Sir, we are also providing the logistics services as a contract basis,
Hmm.
and also like soil testing, which helps to farmer that insights for better farming, and
Hmm.
insurance services also that farmers to access the financial support, and training programs for educating farmers on modern techniques.
Hmm.
Okay, so all these
Okay,
things
okay,
were
right, right.
mentioned. I'm sorry, Devshekar, I'm cutting you right
Yeah,
here.
no
Uh,
problem. Yeah, okay.
Harsh, as you told me, like you have introduced some few other features like soil testing, which is some basic training for the farmers for the farming purposes and all those advanced things. But still, I do have one more thing here for like how will you all these things were not demonstrated in the presentation. Are we like lagging with the time, or are those things yet to be implemented, or those things will be coming in the future scope?
Sir, actually we don't have any team for making this. That I only make this website for only the demo purpose, for using just only HTML, CSS, and only databases only. So if I'm getting the support, I will definitely do this. We are still trying to make it best.
Okay, understood. So it will be in the future scope that the things you are talking about still not implemented,
Yes,
but
sir,
you will be including
definitely.
it. Fine. Good. Sure, and Devshikar, you could continue if you have any
Yeah, yeah,
questions.
yes. Okay, sir. I think they are in second year right now. I think so. Is it true?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Okay, okay. Right, sir.
yeah.
Can conclude this presentation. Yeah.
Yeah, great presentation, great idea and presentation team.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, team, for your presentation. You may really Google.
Yeah. The first team can leave. I think so.
Team 2, are you ready with your presentation? Control V. Mr. Dinesh Reddy, can you speak?
Yeah,
Where is your other team member?
is Devanand.
Yeah, but he's not in the call. Yeah. So the next team is Control V. Please, participants, can you please on your video?
Yeah, hey, we are from Team Control.
Yeah. Please on your video and start your presentation. You have 8 minutes of time and 5 minutes for the question. So please
Okay.
time to conclude in 8 minutes. I'll give a caution call
Okay.
on 6 minutes.
Okay. Can I start now?
Yeah, you may start.
Hello, everyone. We are Team Control V. Myself, K. Dinesh Reddy. My teammate is Devanand. Today, we are excited to present our project Act Connect, a full stack web application designed to simplify and enhance hackathon management built using React, TypeScript, and Firebase. AgConnect enables organizers to host management hackathons efficiently while allowing participants to form teams, register, and collaborate easily. Our platform includes key features like secure authentication, team formation, and chatbots, user profiles, real-time updates. We have used modern development tools like Git, NPM, and Git to ensure smooth performance and scalability. Now, my friend Devanand will explain the working prototype and give you a like walkthrough of our project. Devanand.
Yeah, hello. Hello. Yeah, hello. I'm
Yeah, you
audible,
are.
right?
Yes,
Yeah,
you
you
Hey,
are.
need
Okay.
Devana, can you please
you
on
need
your
to run
video?
your PPT.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
need to
Just
run your
just a
PPT.
second. Like I cannot on my video because my laptop won't support the webcam. So just I will be sharing my screen and I will be explaining. I hope it will be understandable. Yeah. Hey guys. Can you see my presentation?
Yes, yes, we can see.
So sorry. Okay, just a second. Yeah, like our project is Hack Connect. The Hack Connect just defines the hackathon management platform where users can register has user can register has from different roles, like they can be from UI UX designing or from Java developers or from various departments. The users can define it, like they can join generally. Just wait a second, I will show you my prototype here. Yeah, it's the prototype. Sorry. Yeah, it's our prototype. Yeah, it's generally has so many sections here. Let me clear with you. This is the home section where yeah, it's the home section where you have general information about our Hack Connect projects and how it is usable for the people. Here we have explore section, and next one is the find teammate section, next one is the group section. There are multiple ways. The general purpose of our idea is to find the teammates based on our interest. Like let's say I have an interest on UI UX design and I want to join a hackathon, but it's not possible, right, without the developer. So like to have friends of developers, it is very important. So you can find your teammates from here. Let's say I want a Kotlin developer to develop a mobile application where I can see he has the Kotlin developer, so I can just simply connect with him. There are multiple ways of option, and next one is the hackathon options where you can generally host an hackathon. Like just say you are from a likewise Visual Vista is the hackathon name, right? So in the same way you can host an hackathon here by providing all your information. All the information will be storing in our Firebase database. Let me just show you the information. It is the user database which they are having, like the email ID, full name, their role, and here are the registrations of the users which have been to the hackathons. Yeah, okay. Just I will show you the demo. I will here my account is sign up with the mdeva. Like user can sign in from different accounts. Like just say I'm signing with my other account, and the account name will be like dev 01 at the rate of gmail.com. And the next one is my full name. My full name will be M Devanand. And next one I'm let be an Java developer, and password be and same with the other one. Like if I just click the sign up button, it will be automatically redirected here, and you can just find your teammates from there and just develop your hackathons. And we have other options called groups where you can create a group or join the group. Just let me, yeah, the information which I have entered here you can see in the users. Where in the users, this is the latest one you can see. Sorry, yeah, this one is that. So all the information will be shared in the Firebase. And next one is like if you want to join a hackathon, like it's the Dev hackathon. If you just click the learn more, we will be seeing the registration fees, etc. So we can just click the register button and give our team name, etc. All the details filling up here, and the team members who actually are. By providing all the details, we can just participate in the hackathons. And it's all about my presentation. If any questions, please ask to me. Yeah. Hello.
Okay. So you are done
Yeah.
with your presentation, right?
Yeah, we are done with our presentation.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So fine. My first question is, when you are developing this, is it fully developed or it is still in the development phase?
Yeah, it's almost fully developed, but there are some features like connecting with each other. It is not yet developed, so it will be developing in our future scale. But you can most probably work on it, like it's the sign in login systems, the
Okay.
authentication, and about finding the teammates or about the group sections. This almost has been
Okay.
developed.
I
Yeah, okay.
understand. Fine. So, what have you compared this particular platform with the existing one, which is already in market? Like you would say, there is Folio, MHL, HackerEarth, Hackathon. There are
Yeah,
different platforms.
yeah,
Those
yeah.
are also serving the same purpose. So, what makes your application so much pleasing for the other aspiring participants to join this particular thing? Because these same hackathons might be visible there as well, and those websites are still in the market from very long year, from a very long time, I would say. So why people will turn up here rather than going there? Are there any learning contents which is specifically mentioned in your project that will make user more to spend more time on your particular platform rather than spending it there, or what other thing? Just I just wanted to know.
Yeah, it's just a great question. Like we are compared with the Unstop or like that. Like we have a very unique option to find the teammates. There is no such app to find the teammates and connect with each other. Like in just prior presentation, I have given the information like right, like I'm an UI UX designer, so I want a backend developer or a full stack developer or I'm any developer. I can just connect with them. So it's the it makes the feature like our app or website more unique compared to another one, and we will charge less brokerage as compared to another one. Like let's say, let's taking an example of Unstop. So Unstop is charging around 10 to 15% as per my knowledge, as per my research. Like I have contacted with some of the hackathon hosted persons, so they say they will charge some money to host their hackathon, so we will just charge a little bit. But the main purpose and the main agenda of our project is to find the teammates based on the skills and their interest.
Okay, understood. Here's
Yeah, okay.
the another question for you. If when you say you want the main purpose of this platform is to bring teammates of having similar mindset, skill set, and vision towards technology together, why didn't you introduce AI here and did the like mapping using AI, like a teammates mapping, a suggestion, giving suggestion of teammates, or connect with the other people having same tech stack or something like that using AI? Like for example, if you are a you would say a Firebase developer. Okay, you use Firebase, you have used Firebase here, you are front end developer. I'm also a front end developer, I'm also a SQL developer. So in that way some of our skill sets must do somehow. Okay, then your application should have suggested me or you that okay, this connection might be added in your thing. So didn't you try that out? Just a question. It's good that you have developed this far, but still, have you ever thought about about developing or introducing those things in your project?
Yeah, okay. It's the same thing I have thought. Like I have thought about the skill matching. Like in games, you have heard about the multiplayer online games. It's based on the skill matching. Like the equivalent skill members will be showing to you. So in the same way, I have thought to develop that one. But it's a very, like it's take a lot of time, and we are not to be frank enough, we are not that capable enough to merge with AI because it would be cost efficient for us. Like we have to pay the amount for the like agents to that. uh, so you can understand that like we are not that funded guys. So
Yeah, that's fair
yeah,
enough.
yeah,
But the only thing I would say, if you can introduce a bit AI features here, that will be great for the platforms, for this platform particularly. Other than that, it's all good. Fine. Uh, Good. I'm good from my side. Nothing else. If Shikhar, you can
yeah,
continue.
Yeah,
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 okay, just a
almost all questions are covered now. Only one thing
Mhm.
that lacks, I think, so is a new innovation to this idea, because everything is pre-existing. I feel that if you could have done something new, that would have been better, so that people will attracted towards your website. That gives them a lot of flexibility because of multiple features that could be added to this existing project. That could be fine, in my opinion. So I feel that better if you can add a new innovative idea into what you have already done or presented. So that would be fine. I feel like
Yeah,
that. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, but every time it's not about the innovation, but the better platform is every time required. So like you cannot find the teammates in any way. The only option
It's
to
not.
find the team.
Hello,
Yeah, yeah,
hello.
please,
1 minute.
please. Yeah, please.
It can't be like that. See, uh, the
Yeah.
idea is it should be little bit innovative so that it sounds good. That's our motive. That is the basic thing that you need to look upon.
Yeah, thank you
That's
for
all.
your
Yeah,
feedback, but
yeah.
the our innovative idea is to find the teammates. Like to find the teammates, we have just only one option. It's called LinkedIn. Via LinkedIn, we can connect to the peoples, but there is no such platform where you can just use for hackathons. Like say, like I'm in LinkedIn, but I don't want to join the hackathons, or like I'm not interested in that. So I just want to join the hackathons. The enthusiastic people will be coming together, so it will be like an a community where people can join together as per their interest, because here the person who has been research is definitely enthusiastic about the technologies and and the hackathons, and want to join the hackathons from various like say hybrid or some way.
Mhm.
So with the help of the find teammates option, you can find the different types of teammates, and you can just say connect and chat each other. Like we will be developing the chat and remaining options further, because it takes a lot of time, and we don't have any more developers. We are just team of two, so it takes a lot of time to develop this one. So as per mine, the innovative idea here is find the teammates, where you can find your own teammates or buddies or gang or homies, where you can just connect to each other and join the hackathons virtually or in person. It's just a growing community.
Okay, we are done with. No
Yeah,
problem.
okay, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank
okay.
you. Thank you.
Yeah, any more questions from
Yeah,
anyone?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Done
No,
with.
we are good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank,
David.
thank you,
Yeah,
concluding.
thank you. Yeah, okay, can we leave?
You may leave the meeting. Yeah, you may leave the
Yeah,
meeting.
yeah, thank you for your opportunity.
As per the instructions, I request the industrial expert and the academia expert to turn on their video for the neat and clean evaluation.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you for that. I also request the participants from Devika team to turn on their video.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Actually, we are in college. We don't have enough network, so both the members have joined from the same laptop. I hope it is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Continue. Continue. No problem. Yeah.
Okay, this is our project, virtual keyboard using AI. So my main idea is about is to create a touchless keyboard. We have many physical keyboards in which follows traditional systems, and also I have seen many corona issues too, where social distance and lockdown have we have seen everything. So where we give importance for our cleanness and hygiene without touching anybody or any used things. So this is one which replaces everything actually. uh, and this is my project. Wait a second. So I have developed this using MediaPipe, which is a core tool for my project. MediaPipe, which actually detects our hand movements and hand gestures, and then Pi input, which actually helps to simulate. Excuse me, can I off my video? Like it have It can't take both videos actually.
Yeah. After that, you may continue.
Give me a minute. It is running. So this is our main idea actually, and also for the we can also develop this for adding more by enhancing and more features for this. So can you able to see my screen like I'm raising my hand? Hello,
No, 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 no.
you can't. Okay.
Yes.
Now can you able to see? I'm raising my hand.
Yes, we can.
So this is our keyboard layout. So here I have input given all the possible keys which I can. So here back, enter, shift, all these I have given. So we just have to place our hand in a correct distance which I have mentioned. And then if we type here, it detects every input which we actually give. P and letters, numbers. So here we also have shift button. So which converts it to capital letters and also other special characters too. So which is very efficient actually. We can't carry our physical keyboards everywhere, even in the office. Some might even get damaged or misfunction. So at that time we can use this virtual keyboard. And then I have attached simulated it to the with other applications where we can enter into any active application. So here I have taken notepad. So while I'm typing here, you can see it actually represents in the notepad. So by entering, it takes down and up. So in that way, so I can give everything. Backspace, so it deletes. We can also use any other application too. And we can also develop this by using erase movement, where actually we can develop by eye tracking system, which helps more for the physically handicapped people too. We are working on that right now. I hope that works. Which So this is how it works, my virtual keyboard, which replaces everything and also touchless AI world for everyone. That's it.
Yeah, I think Miss Jangam.
Yes, Jangam Devika sir.
Devika. Okay, sorry. Um, of course, this technology is already existing. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir, we can.
What is the extra feature that you have incorporated in this so that your
Yes,
idea
we do
is?
have we do
Hmm.
have a software regarding this virtual keyboard, but the main important thing is that they have used data sets, pre-made data sets they will be using. Like they have to create each and every new data set for each user, using different hand movements and also lightning conditions. If we give any new after training and testing, while testing, if we give a new gesture, it can't detect any words there. Even if the lightning conditions or the color of the hand may changes, it can't detect. So through media pipe and my programming, there is no need of any pre-made data sets actually. We can directly use it. It takes direct live video and takes around 30 fps, that is 30 frames per second. It takes and detects the exact hand movements without any data sets. For existing systems, it's like they have made the data sets. If a new user wants to use and develops their own keyboard, they have to create again data sets, which actually a tiring process, and also it needs very large data set and storage. This doesn't need any of thing. It's a basic, we can develop in a basic laptop and can be used by anyone.
Now,
This is our improvement.
did you do any comparative study?
Yes, sir, we have.
Can you show it on the screen?
Like the research papers have explained in the references, sir. Now I didn't have that exact papers.
No, no, comparative study at least. The project on which you have already worked and having any difference. Comparative study. That's
No, this is my new one. We didn't have any previous version of this. I just research on it in Google.
Mhm.
The using media pipe and the live streaming without data set is a new one. So this is actually we are doing that.
Okay.
And
Sir.
also do adding this to another applications is also our thing. Like previous one you don't have, like only the screen, as you can see the purple one, only that will be shown, and also only few applications can be made. But using us fine input exactly which toolkit we have been using, which can access any active application from the window app, I mean laptop. In
Okay.
others they have used counter detection and also sensors. They use the sensors, sir. We are here, we are not using any sensors.
That's
This is
what
also an added feature.
you need to show those comparisons while you are presenting.
Okay.
Okay, you are ready. That is the point. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Okay.
Hi, Devika.
Yeah.
Uh,
Um,
Hi,
I
sir. Good
think
afternoon.
Hi. I just wanted to know a few things here. It's a great beginner thing that we can do. It's a great learning thing, I would say, that you have done here. Um,
Thank you, sir.
Majorly, I would say uh, we do have a on-screen keyboard, okay, that we can operate using our mic. Do you know the purpose, like why we use the on-screen keyboard instead of having the traditional keyboard? Any studies that you have, any problem that you have identified over that? Maybe I would say it is basically because of the key logging things which are there. Just data will not getting stored into a different file when we are pressing when we are giving a keystrokes there. So when we that's why many of the banking system do also have a virtual keyboard through which we can insert our passwords and all. So I just wanted to know here one thing. Your particular keyboard is like stuck over the left side, I would say, left side of the top corner of the screen. Is it something that we can place it anywhere, or
We can
any other
place
thing?
it anywhere, sir. It's just in the code we have to change the adjustments and the alignment
Hmm.
and the X
Can you
and
move it
Y
with your hand? Is it?
stuff.
Can you move your keyboard with your hand gesture? Can you just pinch and keep it somewhere else?
I have been moving the window here and there. Can you
No,
see?
instead of moving window, can you place it somewhere else?
No, sir. I mean, we have to change that in the code actually.
Okay, okay. So it's a great learning project, I would say. Nothing
Suppose we
must to
can,
be say precise to be innovative, but yeah, it's a great learning thing. And also when you mentioned about the iris project, when it can track the things
yeah, we
with
can
your eye
develop
movements,
actually.
yeah, that will be something which will be new, and also we would say something which is already existing in market, but maybe you will be able to do some major advancements there.
The
Yeah. So
existing
okay.
one
Well,
actually uses sensors and data sets, sir. Here we are not using any sensors or data set.
okay, fine. So you made it
Need
whatever you are having as of now. That's good. Great learning.
Thank you, sir.
East team data is ready. There are 3 members from your team. Do I need to add any more member? Participants, can you please on your video? Hello participants. Akhila, Haindavi, Navya, can you please turn on your videos? Are you ready with your presentation? Am I audible to you? Can anyone of the team member speak out? Team Digital Dreamers.
Just a minute, ma'am, please.
Yeah, sure. Team, are you ready?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm K. Ruchika. Here we are to explore our project employee layoff. I am the team lead. Now I will introduce my team members. Haindavi, Navya,
I
Akila.
request you to only turn on the video. And I request also other team members to turn on their videos for your evaluation. At least get into a single frame in the phone.
It is audible.
Yeah, you're audible. And you're also okay. You may continue. And your time will be up to 8 minutes, and you're also running up with it. So please try to conclude it fast.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I am K. Ruchika. Here we are to explore our employee layoff, project employee layoff. Now I will introduce my friends Navya, Haindavi, Akila. Now, further explanation, Haindavi will take care of this.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am K. Hindavi. I am excited to present our project, Employee Layoff, as a part of Virtual Vista. Have you ever wondered how sudden layoffs impact not only on the employees but entire organization? Employee layoff is a mechanism that affect on both individual and organization in various tasks, and it can cause financial social problems for the workers who are laid off. And we are designing a predictive system that left employees and HRs using the RNN. RNN is nothing but recurrent neural networks. Employee layoff is increasing day by day. Now the layoff decisions plays a crucial role in the present society. So to tackle this issue, our project focuses on building up the predictive system using the RNN, where the employees monitor their uh, daily data like their number of correction tasks and working hours. In this presentation, I'll walk you through about the problem statement, system requirements, and objectives. Due to the combination of declining revenues, markets, uncertainties that need to streamline operations for the long-term sustainability, organizations organizations can facing the problems that insulates the reduction in organizations, and as a result it is the objectives like identifying the key layoffs and developing a predictive system, and system requirements like hardware like hard disk like greater than the 50 GB, and processor like 13 13 and above. System software requirements like languages, Python 3.8 and Jupyter Notebook.
Thank you, Hangavi. Now I will show you the execution of our project.
No. Hello? Hello, Navya.
Sir,
Yeah, you have to present your PPT, no?
sir, here is our PPT. First, abstract, introduction, problem statements, objectives, system requirements, technology used, existing systems, advantages of proposed system, disadvantages of proposed system, outcomes, conclusion.
Explain your idea. Why are you waiting, wasting time? Explain your idea.
Sir, I will show you execution. So now I will show you the executions. Sorry for the interruption. Your time limit will end in 2 more minutes. So please try to conclude it fast. Sir, here our employee details. If you will single company name, region, we should select our details. Now we will send to the predict layout of probability. The layout of probability is 5.00 and the performance score is 2.00. Now I will show you the HR details. It means it will give you the total information of HR's rounds. Here the details, employee data overview and layoff predictions and layoff probability distribution.
Thank you, team. Your time is up. The question and answer session will start now with the industrial experts and academia experts.
Okay.
Deshika, shall I go first ask the question?
Yes, sir. No problem, sir.
Yep. Navya, I have few questions for your team and for you as well. Uh, can you tell me what's the accuracy of the data set that you have trained, and where have you taken where you have taken the data set? Any platform specifically?
We have taken from this.
Okay, let it be. No issues. And what's the accuracy of the model that you have trained? Do you have any percentage with you, like the data that you have from the data from which you have trained your model? What was the accuracy percentage? Uh,
51. The data accuracy is 51.00, sir, and the
no,
layout predict is
no, no.
21.00.
I'm not asking that. That's the thing that you have given in the page as a parameter when you have
Yes,
entered
sir.
everything. I'm just asking when you were making this model. Okay,
Yes,
in your Jupyter notebook mainly that you have mentioned here.
Jupyter.
So when you have trained your model, what was the accuracy like when you have trained the model? What was the prediction percentage you would say that the actual accuracy of the data model that you have trained? Are you aware about that?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. When you say like 51% is the layoff thing, okay, layoff probability. So it is not something which we can say from the past experience. Okay, by this year the layoff will happen by having certain by examining certain patterns in industry. So it is something which is beyond something beyond the mathematical or statistical thing. Every time it is not like that based on past analysis the layoffs will happen. It will happen because of some you would say internal issues or maybe some client issues as well. Okay, maybe the company is not able to deliver, maybe other factors as well due to overstaffing, and that might be also a reason. And when I just wanted to know on which data set you have derived this model, because it's I was just able to see the chart there. I was not able to actually understand the importance of that in the HR dashboard, and you have specifically given a data set for the HR one. So I'm a bit confused here with the demonstration that you have given specifically for the HR one. So that's a bit confusing for me. Would you like to clarify that, or is it something which is just like that?
Sorry, sir, I am not audible.
You're audible to me. Sorry, I'm not audible to you. Am I not
No,
audible to you?
sir.
No, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So am I not clear with the question?
No, sir.
Is my question clear to you?
Sorry.
Is my question clear to you?
No, sir. Once again.
Okay, I was not clear with the demonstration that you have given me, specifically for the HR dashboard. I wanted to know which data set you have given there, and also on what was the size of that, and on why it is taking, why you have to every time dump a file there, and from where that file is coming from. I wanted to know that, if the time allows us to. Do you have any short description about that? Would you like to give any?
Sir, here we used algorithms like RNN, SVR, SVM, and RF.
Okay, fine.
And
I was just a
RNN.
bit confused with the demonstration that you have given me for the HR dashboard, HR page, you would say.
Sorry, sir.
See, I'm not clear with the demonstration that you have given me specifically for the HR. When you selected the category as HR, not as employee, you've selected a drop down, correct?
Yes, sir. It is a data set that all the employees list, sir. If you
Hmm.
want Infosys list, I will show you that Infosys list again. Or Wipro list, I will show you the Wipro list, sir.
Okay, and when you have added employee in the first go when you were showing the demonstration, you have added an employee, correct? Infosys and everything.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
is where that data is going?
It is going to. It is going through play of predictions, sir.
No, no,
Predictions.
no. From where that data is getting stored?
Databases, sir.
Databases. And what's the database that you're using? SQL.
Sir, MySQL and machine learning, sir.
Okay, and you have dumped an SQL file, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so that SQL file is not at all related with the data that is there that you have kept in the employee page, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means these are the two different things. You have not passed the employee thing, whatever you have given in the first page, in the second HR drop down page that you have dropped in Excel, correct? That is not at all related. That's just a data set that you have given, and it will always show the same percentage even if you enter 100 and 1,000 employees in the first page itself. It will always show the same data because it is not getting updated. Okay, so that was just a clarification that I was asking for. I'm done with the questions. Thank you. That was a good demonstration and good learning. Yeah, if you have developed that, that's good.
Thank you,
Keep it
sir.
up. Dev Shekhar, I wanted to. You can
Yeah,
continue.
yeah. You said that you have used three algorithms, right?
Yes, sir.
Name them, please.
RNN, SVM, and RF, sir.
What is SVM?
SVM, support vector machine, sir.
Out of these three, which has given you the better prediction?
RNN, sir.
What is this RNA?
RNN is a recurrent neural network, sir.
What does it do?
It will format the HR documentation track or record the data in a file, sir.
Do you have a working model of that? Did you execute it? Did you complete your project?
Yes, sir. I executed, sir.
Mhm. Out of these three, you got RNN.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tim. You may leave the meeting. Digital Peaks. Is anyone from the team Digital Peaks is present? Hello, Meghana, am I audible to you? Hello, Meghana.
Yes, yes.
Yes, I kindly request you to turn on your videos. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
I request all of the team members to turn on their videos.
Okay, sure, sure.
And your time limit will be of 8 minutes and question and answer time limit will be of 5 minutes. You may complete within the time period. Yeah, you may start with your presentation.
Can I start?
Yes, you may start.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Vasni. I'm the team lead of the project. My project name is Medical Safeline. We are here to explore our ideas on Medical Safeline. And my project members are Manisha, Meghana, and Yogita. Now, introduction is handled by the Meghana.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Meghana. I'm excited to share my project with you. So, Medical Safeline System, it is a web-based application. This is designed to store and display the patient information and medical history. So, the medical Safeline System purpose is a unified digital health record system. It is linked with the individuals' Aadhaar numbers. India's healthcare system are currently suffers from fragmented patient data scattered across the various hospitals and the clinics. So this decentralization makes the healthcare providers to access the data very difficult, and also to overcome from this problem, we came with this project to make it easier for the healthcare providers to access the data very easily, and also to fasten the treatment for the patient. And the key features are the uh, it is based on the other. It is based on Aadhaar-based login. Patient can enter the 12-digit Aadhaar numbers and they can log in. And also we have secure access. Only valid Aadhaar entries linked to the patient record can be accepted, and patient information can be displayed like name, age, medical status, and all this. And we even have a proper logout functionality. I hand over to my friend.
Now I'll share the screen and show our presentation. This is the login page. First, you have to enter the Aadhaar number and then you have to enter the password. Suppose we can take assumption this number and some password like this. Then login. You'll get this page which displays the patient details, and you can also log out from here and return to the first page. Again when we log in, we'll get the patient details and the same page. Then you can log out.
And coming to conclusion, a medical safe line is a valuable tool that ensures quick medical help during emergencies. It connects users directly to doctors, nurses, or emergency services with the press of a button. Especially useful for elderly people, patients with chronic illness, people living alone. Provides peace of mind to users and their families, knowing help is always available. Modern systems may include like fall detection, heart rate, and health monitoring, and it supports independent living and improves safety without constant supervision. Plays an important role in preventing care and reducing emergency response time. Overall, it's an essential part of modern technology-based healthcare. Thank you.
Any queries?
So are you guys done with the presentation and everything? Demonstration, is that all?
Yes.
Okay.
Devshikar, if you wanted to go first, then you can. I do have some questions, but I'll go after you.
No, sir, just you can carry on. No problem.
Okay. So, Yogita and team, I do have many questions for you guys. First of all, I just wanted to know, when you have this idea of linking Aadhaar with which should have your medical details and everything. Okay. I was not able to find any such things in the demonstration part. Okay, it's just a login page and then processing it with the next page.
Further developing.
It is further in development. Okay, understood. And when this idea came into your mind, have you ever considered the data privacy, the risk of information that you will be exposing?
Yes.
Okay. So what factors have you considered?
I have considered using encryption, permissions, and user consent.
Okay. So but that won't be handled by you. There are no particular norms for handling Aadhaar data and everything as of now. Okay. Like there is no strong legal framework like GDPR or in the EU. Like, so we don't have such a strong system which can protect our data. Okay. When you link your medical history with your Aadhaar card, what if somebody if you want to claim an insurance, if you want to buy an insurance, and at that time your Aadhaar will be checked, and if you might have some illness or something which is not getting considered in your insurance, will that insurance company give you the insurance? That will be unfair treatment, correct? If you are having any kind of illness or something,
Yes.
the employer will also consider about that, and that will be job discrimination or maybe unfair treatment, or maybe something like that. It will be a biased kind of thing. Okay.
Yeah, so in some cases it is possible, but when we further develop it, we'll take all the concerns.
Okay. Okay, I understood. You will take the concern, but most of the Indians are not even aware how their data will be getting used when they log in into different platforms and everything. We are not very much aware about that or fully aware about it, how the data will be getting used. And this will be, I would say, a cyber security threat as well, which will be leading into disclosure of our identity proofs to every, like actually having medical history of all the people which are there in India. Okay. Especially when we linked into Aadhaar cards, that data become highly valuable for the other you would say like the opponents. So that won't be a good idea, I would say. Although your thoughts are correct, moving towards the you would say
Yeah, so
your idea is, I won't say it is very much innovative, but it's good that you are thinking in that direction. But linking those sensitive information with Aadhaar card, I won't say it will be a good option, or it will be a good strategy that anybody can play.
yes,
And no nation wants their people data to be disclosed in any kind of identity cards, or I would say any kind of identity proofs that the citizens carry. Okay, none of the nation do have all these facilities and everything. So, on the other hand, you have seen the positive side of that. That when the data will be useful in case of accidents or anything, any other major issues, it
yes,
will be useful. But always consider, I would say, both sides of the idea that you are bringing in. Okay, this might be innovative, but I won't say it is innovative at all, because this comes with pros and cons, both of them, and it is coming with lots of cons. Okay, so that's all. Nothing else from my side. You would say you have said this is in development, but if you can bring some advancement or link you
yes.
any other thing that you can do instead of doing it with Aadhaar, then I would say yeah, that will be good, but not this time.
Okay, sir.
That's all, Devshik, from my side.
Thank you.
Yeah. Uh, what are the algorithms that you have used in this?
I used HD cloud
Al-
storage.
Algorithms. Did you use any algorithm?
No, sir.
It doesn't have any procedure, process. Yes.
Sir,
What?
sir, can you please repeat?
You have to work on that. If you have used any algorithm, what is your proposed algorithm? What is the existing
Data.
algorithm?
I
Yeah.
have used data encryption algorithm and user authentication algorithm.
What are those? Do you know what are the encryption algorithms you have used?
Yes, sir. User authentication algorithm purpose is to verify users with a username and a
No, what is
password.
the specific algorithm you have used under that?
Search algorithm,
Exact name.
actually binary search algorithm.
How come? What are the different encryption decryption algorithms that are existing, and why you have chosen your a specific algorithm under your model that gives you a better chance of
Uh,
performance enhancement? Okay.
User authentication algorithm.
Mhm. Okay. Be clear with what you have done, right? And be careful. Up to your level, I feel that it is okay, but you need to go to the next level,
Okay, sir.
right? Thank you. Right.
Thank
Right,
you,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
I request the team to leave. The other team rewards lung disease prediction using deep learning from Guru Nanak institutions. Are you ready?
Yes, yes, I'm ready, but one of my teammate is joining. Can you give me two more minutes?
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. Please
Yeah,
start from your
yeah, he
videos.
joined. Yeah, he joined now. Can I start?
Yeah, but please turn on your videos and start your
Yeah,
presentation.
yeah. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you
Yes,
are
yes, you
audible.
can go ahead. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, respected jury members. I'm Sri Charan, and these are my teammates. Sorry to inform that one of my teammate is not available right now, and we are from Guru Nanak institutions, institutions from Telangana. Today, we are going to present our project title called "Lung Disease Prediction Using Deep Learning." Uh, so. These are the table of contents we have placed in this. So about the disease, lung disease such as pneumonia, tuberculosis are serious health problems that affect million people every year, right? So especially in developing countries like India, China. So these diseases cause breathing problems, coughing, and chest pain. So if not treated early, they can become dangerous and even more life-threatening. So uh, doctors usually check test x-rays and to detect the disease, right? But regarding x-rays manually takes some time, and there may be chance of human error. So there is a need for a faster and more accurate methods to detect these diseases. So this is the introduction part. In our project we have used deep learning, and it's a type of artificial intelligence. So to solve this problem, uh, we built a system that can look at chest x-rays images and tell whether the person have normal condition or else pneumonia or tuberculosis. So we use deep learning model called VGG16. So it's a modified version of CNN, convolutional neural networks. So it's a powerful model used in image classification. Like, yeah, our aim is to support doctors a tool to give a quick, reliable results. So this is our objective. Our main objective is to design a system that helps in early detecting lung disease predictions. So we are using chest x-ray images. So we want to make diagnosis process faster and more accurate and less dependent. um, uh, this project will especially helpful in places where there is a lack of experienced doctors and or radiologists, for example. So our solution is to solve the problem. We trained a deep learning model using thousands of labeled X-ray images. So we use it's a modified version of CNN, right? We use VGG16 model, and which is already trained on general images and find it tune it for medical images. So the model learns to identify patterns in X-ray each and every part, and tell whether the image is normal condition or else any pneumonia, tuberculosis, or anything else, anything else. So the solution helps in quick decision making and can reduce the load of healthcare systems. So this is our solution. And this is the VGC16 architecture model. So I want to explain in detail part of this VG16 model. So here we can see that we have an X-ray image, general X-ray image. So it's a size of 224 cross 224 cross 64 size. So in first layer, it divides the pixel equal divisions. In equal divisions, it divides the pixel. So after that, uh, for each pixel, it assigns value. It assigns a value of RGB colors, red, green, blue colors. So after that, assigning the values, we have to normalize the color codes. Like we have maximum of 250 code, so we have to normalize the each and every pixel. For that, we are dividing by two. For each color code, we are dividing by 255. So after the 255, we will get some values, right? Now in general CNN, the data may be lost by taking these kind of thing. So here in VGG16 model, we are using padding, the term called padding. So there will be no data loss. We are adding just zeros at the last, so that data can't be lost. So after this, max pooling will be started. Max pooling layer will be start. In this max pooling layer, uh, two by two matrix filter will be used to take the maximum input. So this will be compared to the like we have training data set, right? So in this training data set, this maximum input will be compared to the every image, so that we can get the accurate region or else value, so that we can detect the
Sorry for the interruption. You have only more 2 minutes for your presentation.
Sure. This is this is a tech stack. And Python, we are using Python model, Python for main programming language. And we have to build the train deep learning model, TensorFlow and Keras we used. Our main model is a VGC16 model. And for data handling and visualization, we used NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. And for main dataset, we used Kaggle and NIH. So this is our outcome. Let me show the implementation of our project. These are the just snapshots. Just a second, I will show the implementation. Yeah, this is our homepage. First, we have to log in with our credentials. Just I have put an admin, and password is also admin. Once login success, it will show that login success. And here the interface will be in this way, so that we have to choose one file from our folder. Here we have so many things. So let me show one model. So this is the X-ray image of tuberculosis. Just we have to this test data, and if we upload this here, just we have to click the submit, and prediction will be show that it is a tuberculosis. This is our implementation. And we can check here performance our implementation performances. This is our implement performance. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Did you use any mathematical model in your project?
Yes, sir. We use mathematical model, but we are not sure about it correctly. We have to work on it, sir.
So how did you acquire the images?
Sir, in general, we have if we keep our image a general lung image, it can detect anything, sir. So
How
like
many
we have
samples?
used.
How many samples did you take?
Yes, sir. I'll show. I'll show. Sir.
How many samples you have taken?
Just a second, sir. I'll show.
Just let
Sir,
me
you can see here,
how
sir.
many images you have taken? How many total number of images you have taken?
1 second, sir. I'm not getting that folder. Just a second, sir.
Did you use any algorithm for feature selection?
Sir, it's a VGG 16 model, sir. VGG 16.
What are the features that
Sir, sorry, sir. It is.
didn't had any idea?
Sir, these are the test and data sets, sir. These are the 4 classes we have used, and for COVID-19, we have chosen these many pictures, these many images, and for normal condition, these many images. We have these many images. So by comparing these all images, it will give the prediction, sir. This is the tuberculosis images. This is the pneumonia, sir. These many images we have took it for training, sir.
Do you have working model of this? Do you have the working model of this?
Yes, sir. Just now I've showed, right, sir? That is only working model, I guess.
Outcome.
Yes, sir. Once I will. This is the general thing, sir. Let us take a tuberculosis image as well. So if we choose like any images, so it shows the tuberculosis. It will predict the tuberculosis. Here you can see that tuberculosis. If we take any other general image also, it shows the prediction, sir. This is our live model.
For prediction, what are the algorithms you have used?
Sir?
Well, for prediction, what are the other algorithms that are available and why this is chosen?
Sir, actually, this is actually in general they use CNN model, sir. But CNN model there is some data loss. So it's a modified this VGG 16 algorithm architecture is a modified version of CNN. So for CNN model, we have nearly 14 layers. So in BGG 16, additionally neural like convolutional layers will be added. So in this term BGG 16, we are doing padding. The term called padding. So we are adding the bits called zeros and all those zeros, so that data can't be lost. So that's the reason we are using BGG 16 model, sir.
Okay, sir. Hello.
Okay. Hi.
Yeah, I'm done.
Hi.
Yeah.
So I have one question here. See, I have seen this earlier, this particular project earlier, but at that time it was just focusing on one of the diseases, I would say. I would diagnose one of the diseases. It's good that you have implemented. Can you please tell me how many diseases it actually identify other than like COVID, as you have mentioned? What are the
Sir,
diseases it actually meant?
yes, sir. We have included COVID-19, pneumonia, and tuberculosis, and one of normal conditions, sir.
Okay. So why you have used DeepSeek, correct?
Sir?
For open, you have used an AI model, correct? That you have
Yes, sir.
mentioned. Okay. And any particular reason of using that model deep, any particular, I would say, why you have chosen this approach? Any reason that you have identified, any researches that you have done previously?
Yes, sir. We have done some research on it, so that's the reason we use these models.
Okay. Okay. And what is the future scope of this? Have you ever I tested it on actual data set, as sir was asking previously, from where you have taken the data set? So will you
So
be telling us you have
yes,
taken
sir.
this
In
images from?
generally, we took this data set in Google, sir.
Okay.
But upcoming days in future scope, we can add more number of data sets so that precision and prediction will be very accurate. And also, we are trying to implement in like mobile devices, sir, so that
Okay.
it can be really helpful for everyone.
Okay. Did you identify any kind of challenges while you were developing this? Any learnings that you would like to share with us?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
No learnings.
we have yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Fine. I'm good from myself. Nothing else. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Team Triplets. You may leave the meeting.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Is Team Samveda is ready? Samvedna,
Yes, ma'am.
Smart Dog Health
Okay.
Monitoring System. Are you ready with your presentation? Please
Yes, ma'am.
kindly do not show the presentation. Conclude with a prototype and just explanation of the important points.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Can I join from mobile as my laptop does not have good sound? 1 minute, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Any other team member in their team, or you are the single person?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. You may continue with the presentation. No need to show the presentation. Go with the prototype. Your time limit will be of 8 minutes. I give a reminder at the 6 minute. So please try to conclude it fast.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can I start?
Yeah.
Hmm. Hello. Hello, Jury. My name is Ishan Upadhyay. My team name is Samvedna. My product is Samvedna, which is Smart Dog Health Monitoring System. Now, I will share the slides. બોલ બોલ હા જોઈન થઈ જાય એવું છે સૌચલ ભાઈ તો હું જોઈન છું હેલો am I audible?
Yes, you can go ahead.
Yes, thank you, sir. My product name is Samvedna, which is Smart Dog Health Monitoring System. एक्चुअली में अभी इंडिया में एक मेजर पेट डॉग के लिए एक लव बढ़ रहा है। पेट डॉग के लिए सब सारी केयर करता है सर। पर वो अपनी मेन जो होते हैं प्रॉब्लम वो भूल जाता है। जैसे पेट डॉग को रेगुलर हेल्थ चेकअप नहीं मिलता, फिर कंटिन्यूअस हेल्थ ट्रैकिंग नहीं होती, फिर जो जीपीएस डिवाइस मार्केट में मिलता है वो इनएक्यूरेट होता है, फिर जो रीडिंग्स मिलते हैं उससे हम समझ नहीं पाते कि इसको कौन सी डिसीज़ है या क्या है, जिससे जब लास्ट में जब तबीयत बहुत ज़्यादा बिगड़ जाए तब आइदर वो कंट्रोलेबल नहीं होता या सर्जरी में बहुत वो बन जाता है, जिससे मैंने प्रोडक्ट बनाया जिसका नाम है संवेदना। इसमें 3 मेन पार्ट्स हैं सर। एक तो वेरेबल कॉलर जो डॉग के नेक में आएगा, जो सारी हेल्थ रीडिंग रीड करेगा। फिर होगा एक सेंट्रल मॉनिटरिंग डिवाइस। सेंट्रल मॉनिटरिंग डिवाइस ESP32 से बना होगा। कॉलर और सेंट्रल मॉड्यूल के बीच कम्युनिकेशन लोरा मॉड्यूल थ्रू होगा। लोरा मॉड्यूल स्टैंड्स फॉर लो कम्युनिकेशन लॉन्ग रेंज मॉड्यूल, जो रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी से डेटा कम्युनिकेशन करता है सर। जिससे इंटरनेट की प्रॉब्लम कम्युनिकेशन की प्रॉब्लम चली जाती है और अच्छी रेंज मिलती है अराउंड 15 किलोमीटर। सर तो लोरा मॉड्यूल में सारा डेटा कलेक्ट होगा। लोरा मॉड्यूल से डेटा ट्रांसमिट होके ESP32 में स्टोर होगा। ESP32 ये सारा डेटा ये ट्रांसमिट करेगी फायर बेस में। फायर बेस में वो लाइव अपडेट होगा। फायर बेस में अपडेट होगा, उसके साथ-साथ अराउंड 20 वैल्यूज़ होगी, वो स्टोर होगी। वो 20 वैल्यूज़ लोकली ESP32 डिवाइस में स्टोर होगा। फिर वो जो 20 वैल्यूज़ हुई स्टोर, वो जेमिनी की API कॉल करेगा और 20 वैल्यूज़ देगा, जिससे हमें एआई एनालिटिक्स मिले, डीप एनालिटिक्स, जैसे कोई फ्यूचर डिसीज हो सकती है, अभी उसकी हेल्थ कैसी है, और एनी डीप नॉलेज अबाउट द हेल्थ ऑफ द डॉग फायर बेस में अपडेट होगा। उसके साथ साथ ऐप में भी अपडेट होगा। हमारा ऐप फायर बेस से डेटा फैच करता है और यूआई से दिखाता है। फिर फ्लटर से यूजर को दिखेगा। इसमें हमने टेक्नोलॉजी लोरा कम्युनिकेशन ESP32 और साथ-साथ जेमिनी की API की यूज़ की है, जिससे हमें एआई एनालिटिक्स मिल सके, एडवांस एआई एनालिटिक्स। इसमें सेंसर्स में हमने MPU 6050 सेंसर्स यूज़ किए हैं, जो मोशन डिटेक्ट करता है। मैक्स 3102 सेंसर लिया, जो उसकी हार्ट बीट, ऑक्सीजन लेवल मॉनिटर करता है। फिर नियो 6M जीपीएस मॉड्यूल लिया है, जो उसका लोकेशन डिटेक्ट करता है, और DS18B20 जो टेम्परेचर मेजर करता है। ये सारे वाटरप्रूफ सेंसर है, जिससे उसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी अच्छे चल सके। फिर सेंट्रल मॉड्यूल में ESP32 विथ लोरा लोकल डेटा स्टोरेज एंड एआई प्रोसेसिंग विया जेमिनी है। फिर सर फ्लटर एप्लीकेशन की बात करें तो फ्लटर एप्लीकेशन में लाइव हेल्थ डैशबोर्ड है। फिर हम डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन देख सकते हैं, साथ-साथ रिपोर्ट देख सकते हैं, इनसाइट रिपोर्ट। फिर डॉग की प्रोफाइल मैनेज कर सकते हैं। इसमें एक सेंट्रल मॉड्यूल यूज़ किया है, क्योंकि जैसे ये पेट क्लिनिक्स, उसमें डॉग्स की हेल्थ मॉनिटर करने में बहुत मेंटेनेंस करना पड़ता है। पर सेंट्रल मॉड्यूल से सारे कॉलर का वैल्यू एक सेंट्रल मॉड्यूल में स्टोर होगा, और वो अलग-अलग प्रोफाइल के अनुसार बाइफरकेट होके फायर बेस में अपडेट होगा, जिससे यूजेबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है। फिर सर
Sorry for the
हम
interruption, but you
कॉम्पिटिशन की
may
बात करें,
excuse
कॉम्पिटिशन
me.
की बात करें।
You take your time may run out within 2 minutes. So please be kindly go with the prototype, not with the
यस सर,
presentation.
यस मैम। एक ही मिनट में प्रेजेंटेशन बंद कर देता हूँ। प्रेजेंटेशन सर, हाँ, हमारे ऐप का नाम है सैमकेयर, और ये उसका डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन है। ये ऐप ओपन किया, ये उसका लाइव डैशबोर्ड, जिसमें हार्ट बीट, टेम्परेचर और ऑक्सीजन डिस्प्ले होगा। फिर ये उसके सारे कार्ड्स, जिसमें लोकेशन और एआई एनालिटिक्स भी दिखेगा। यहाँ पे डबल क्लिक करेंगे तो सर अबाउट संवेदना नाम, फिर गाइड का नाम और वो सब है। फिर सर अभी जैसे हार्ट बीट है, तो उसमें हार्ट बीट में पूरा हिस्टोरिकल डेटा दिखेगा, जिससे विजुअलाइज कर सके कि क्या हो रहा है। उसमें इसके साथ साथ मिनिमम वैल्यू, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, एवरेज हार्ट बीट कितनी है और करंट हार्ट बीट कितनी है, वो भी हमें दिखेगी। फिर ऐसे पूरा डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन होगा। फिर ये टेम्परेचर, उसका लाइव टेम्परेचर विथ ग्राफ, लाइक मिनिमम, मैक्सिमम, एवरेज एंड करंट टेम्परेचर, उसकी नॉर्मल रेंज कितने हैं वो सब आई बटन में दिखेगी, जिससे यूजर का एक्सपीरियंस स्मूथ हो। उसके साथ साथ एक इन ऐप इंडिकेटर है कि अगर सारे पैरामीटर बढ़िया हो तो गुड आएगा, अगर नहीं हो तो अटेंशन आएगा, और ऐसे अलग अलग डिस्क्लेमर इन ऐप मॉनिटरिंग से भी आता है। फिर ऑक्सीजन लेवल 95 to 100% उसका एवरेज होता है, और ये उसके सारे एट्रीब्यूट्स। मोशन सर, ये हर एक 10 सेकंड्स में वैल्यू ट्रांसमिट करेगा। उसके साथ साथ वो 10 सेकंड में से कितने सेकंड वो एक्चुअली में मूवमेंट में है, वो ये मोशन दिखाता है, जिससे हम पता लगा सके कि इसकी ये कितना एक्टिव होता है और कब एक्टिव होता है। फिर ये सारे फंक्शनैलिटीज। फिर लोकेशन ट्रैकर में ये यूआरएल आ जाएगी। यूआरएल को हम ओपन करेंगे तो हमारा लाइव लोकेशन दिखेगा। देखिए सर, ये मेरे घर का है, हम पेट डॉग है, उसलिए ये हमारा घर का एड्रेस दिखा रहा है, वो लाइव है। फिर फिर सर ये एआई हेल्थ एनालिसिस, पूरा एआई एनालिसिस से उनको सारा इंसाइट्स मिलेगा, डीप इंसाइट्स, जो हमने 20 वैल्यू स्टोर किया करके दी थी, वो यहाँ पे दिखेगी सर। वन जैसे इतना अच्छा है, कितना बुरा है, फिर उसको कोई फ्यूचर डिसीज हो सकती है कि नहीं, और वो सब कि उसको अभी एंजाइटी है, पेन है, इन्फेक्शन है, और वो सब में सर।
Sorry for the interruption. Your time is up. You don't have more
Okay.
time for your explanation. The question and answer session will start.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Ishan.
Yes, sir.
Just let me know what are the key factors
Hmm.
that are differentiating your model with the existing models.
Sir, existing model does not have the functionality of live heartbeat tracking, temperature, oxygen level tracking, and if one or two company providing the solution, they are very at high rates. They are very expensive, and also they are taking the annual subscription. So it is very costly for a family to maintain all this, sir.
Okay. Okay. What is that you have incorporated in your project?
What, sir?
What is that you have incorporated in your project?
Sir, I have incorporated the heartbeat sensor, temperature sensor, oxygen level sensor, फिर motion tracking sensor, GPS tracker. With Flutter application, it is Flutter application. So, sir, it can be accessible for both iOS and Android application. I am now working on making the website, sir.
Okay. Okay. Right. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Ishan. Ishan, a few things here. You have mentioned a sensor which you have implemented in your in the docs collar, correct? That is MAX 30102.
Hmm.
Correct. And that's the heart rate sensor, as you mentioned. What about the dog's fur? Is like dog has a big coat. You would say. I would say it's a very hairy dog. It do have a good fur. So will the rating will differ, or what it will be? How it is getting handled?
Yes, sir. That's the main issue. That Max 3102 sensor needs the place where there is minimum amount of fur. So we have to set the collar in such way that there is least amount of fur, so that the light can be propagated to the jugular vein to measure the heartbeat. The collar and the sensor will be placed at jugular vein, as the neck area of the dog has jugular vein to measure the flow of the blood. Means it has good flow of the blood, so that we can measure at that point. So
Okay, but
that's
if we
the
keep
issue,
the
sir.
collar very tight, it will be suffocating for the dog, correct? If we keep
No,
the
sir.
collar tight.
We can means there will be space between them, but it need
Okay.
least amount of fur.
Okay. That's here the use case. It is not feasible for every dog, I would say. Correct.
No, sir. It is useful for every dog. As
Okay.
in a veterinary clinic,
Mhm.
as they have to maintain the health record of all the dogs. So
Okay.
it is difficult. So if they put the collar in dog's neck, then they can track the multiple dogs' health simultaneously.
Okay. And have you developed this prototype? Okay.
Yes, sir. I have developed the prototype, and also my
Hmm.
project was selected for SSIP, sir. I
Okay.
have also got the grant for 11,000 rupees,
Okay.
which is Student Startup Innovation Policy, which is under Gujarat government, sir.
Yeah. Congrats for that. And I just wanted to know one thing. Yeah. Like, what's the cost for the product? Like,
Sir,
how it is
the cost
competing with the other
of the
products?
product is around 10,000 rupees,
Hmm.
which is comparatively cheaper than the products in the market. As there are no company in the India which offers this functionality. There are 2 to 3 companies in foreign which provide this functionality, but they are very high cost, like
Yeah.
35,000 for a collar, and they have a SIM card as a communication. So we
Okay.
have to do regular recharge of SIM card, and the maintenance increase, sir.
Okay, and how is your system handling that issue? Like, if the range it has to be, your dog has to be in range to collect the data, or how the data is getting stored from the dog's collar to your application, like how it is
Sir,
getting saved.
yes, sir. Between the dock scholar and central module, there is one LoRa module, which communicate through radio signals, which are different for every signal. So it does not need any internet connection, as LoRa module has range of 10 to 15 kilometer in the village area, and in urban area it is around 8 to 10 kilometer, through which it can uh, transport the data from caller to central module. Then the central module will update the value to Firebase live database, as
Okay.
Firebase live database is a database through which my app
Your
fetch
data is getting
the live
stored. Yeah, I
information.
understand from where it is reflecting your data in the UI. I understand that. But my question is like how your data. You told me there will be a radio frequency which is having a range of 12, 14 kilometers.
Hmm.
But still, how? What if in case like just for my knowledge perspective, I'm asking how the data transfer is is happening. I'm not still able to get that part. Maybe you have explained it. I will have this communication gap. I'm not able to understand few things.
No, sir.
But
Yeah, 1 minute.
no,
I
it's okay, fine. Keeping on the time constraint that we have, I saw like you have offered many sensors here, like heart rate sensor, activity sensor, GPS, temperature, everything, which is not at all in the other existing products which are there in the market. So now coming to the scalability part, is
Hmm.
it ready for the commercial? Are you planning it for the commercial use, or have you developed it by your own with or with any help of anyone from your guide or everybody? Like how it has been developed? Has it been tested?
Yes, sir. My relatives who have pet have are really interested for this product, as
Okay.
their product health can be constantly managed. So it is very helpful. I have now done survey through Google Forms, and shared it and collect the interest of many users throughout the India. Many people show the interest, and also have given me the order. Means if all thing is ready, then first you need to me, as there are many
Okay.
commitment I have ready, sir.
Okay. Fine. Thank you, Ishan. That's all from my side. Great work.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
And all the best for future.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Tim
Yeah.
Chandra. You may leave the meeting.
Yes.
1 minute,
I
sir.
can.
Yeah, Ishan, you can.
Yes, yes, yes,
Rishabh, sir.
yes.
Ishan, you can leave, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Yeah.
let us little bit speed up.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Sure. Definitely. I
Yeah,
won't be asking much questions now because yeah, we are running out of time.
yeah, yeah. So let's speed up the remaining things, sir. Huh? Maybe one or two questions
Sure.
from
Sure.
your
Sure. Sure.
side or one question from your side. Huh? Thank you, sir. Yeah, yeah. Anybody is there? Sahana.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Ex-centennials, are you there? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you have one more member in your team?
Yes, sir.
Any other member in your team?
Actually, we are sitting together. So when
Yeah.
I will tell the prototype the hardware, she will be with me.
Please try to conclude it with the prototype presentation.
Yeah, sure. So should I start with the presentation or I can directly start with the prototype?
Just explain the main points and go with the
Okay, sure. Thank
prototype.
Okay, can I start? Okay, a very good afternoon to all the judges present over here. So I will just present my screen.
Yeah, yeah.
So is my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah. So actually, let's start. As you can see, a very warm welcome to everybody, to all the judges. So this is our team. So let's first understand what is the main motto of our project. So this photo shows us, let it be a girl, let it be a man, let it be a child, let it be an old person. Every person can can get a heart attack. We can see that in India the heart attack rate is ranging day by day. But the main reason of the heart attack is the stress, as we all are working in the IT professional, and it is told that the most of the heart attacks are happening in the IT field. So here we present you Cardio Shield. What is the Cardio Shield? A Cardio Shield is a prevention guidance app that will calculate your ECG, that will prevent the ECG, and with AI you will get the tailored report of the ECG that you can see to the doctor. So, what was the problem statement? The person was hesitate to go to the ECG. Like you can check your ECG at your home, at your office, or at anywhere, and you can get a detailed guide of it. This is the solution overview. What we have, there is a smart risk assessment. You will get a graph of the risk assessment. You will get the real time ECG monitoring from the IoT device that we have made. ECG understand medical insights. With AI, there will be a tailored report. You will get instant emergency response. If you have any emergency, you can activate your emergency. And the context will be sent. Next, what is how it works? There will I will tell you in the app only. This thing I will tell you in the app. These are the components and connection. What are the used in our device? So let's first go to the device that what we have made. So this is the device. This is the device this is a prototype device, IoT device that we have made. This is the circuit diagram. Actually, I just can't show you the real circuit diagram because it is in the process of patent work. And this is how it is connected to the how the hardware is connected, like from the electrodes the signal will go to AD823 chip. It will pass to the ESP32. From ESP32 it can be connected via USB C type to USB micro USB to mobile, or it can be directly connected via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So, and this is the graph how you can read your ECG graph. Okay, so let me show you the device. This is our prototype device. This is the Cardio Shield device that we have made. and currently it is in the process of patent. So I will just brief you what is inside this device. So this is the AD8232 chip. The electrodes are connected with my partner here. The electrodes are connected to the hand. This is the AD8232 chip. This is the charging module. This is the LiPo battery. This is the ESP32 from the chip is connected. This is the voltage converter, 3.3 volt to 5 volt converter. And this is the pin for the starting pin. So I will just show you, I will just connect this device to my app and I will share the screen and I will show you how the graph works and how our app works. Like first I will show you what is our app. So just confirm me that if the screen is visible. So this is our basic app that we have made. This is the cardio shield. If I just sign up, so I can select the role here. Like if you're a doctor, there is a different panel for the doctors that are available on our platform, and for the patient, it is a different panel. So I register it.
Sorry for the interruption. You have more 2 minutes for your presentation.
Yeah, sure. Just a second. So here is the health dashboard. That is our health dashboard. Here is the health assistant. Here is the emergency response, and here is the monitor ECG. So I will just fastly show you the how the ECG my ECG works. So if I either start ECG monitoring, just give me 1 second. It's the prototype device, so I have to connect it. So this device is now connected. You can see the light also coming. And if I start the ECG monitoring here, it will show you the live ECG graph that is getting plotted. The live ECG graph will be plotted here. And after 60 seconds, it will take the readings of 60 seconds. And after 60 seconds, it will save your report. You can save your report here. And then the AI will give you the tailored report that what has been connected, what has been happening in the all the ECGs, what is happening, what are the readings you get, what are the problems, if there are any problems for the first 60 seconds. And for the next 60 seconds, you can also see the graph. So it will take 60 seconds as the time limit that it will read the 60 seconds, your 60-second graph, and then it will give you a report. So I can just save my report here by any name. Like I have saved it. Then I can also pause the graph. I can see what are my readings here. I can tell the doctor. Then I can go to the save reports. That is the save reports here, A. And you can see that you will get a detailed report, what is happening, what are your diet plan, what you should be your exercise plan, lifestyle tips. And also here you can chat with the AI. Like if I ask,
Sorry for the interruption. Your time has up. The question and answer session will go on now.
okay, sure. Just a second. So like we have used the Mistral 7B AI system. That is not free right now, but we have seen it. Like you will get the answer of the AI about any hurt problem, any hurt question that you ask to the AI, you will get the answer.
Yeah, what is the cost effectiveness of your product?
Okay, so the cost is 2,500 right now. Just a second, I will just stop presenting. So the cost is around 2,500 right now. So we have known that there is Sunfox Pandan device that is of around 7,000, and currently this device has giving us the accuracy of 75 to 80%. Like we have checked over 250 patients, and we have also told 25 cardiac doctors that this is our prototype device for the first we have made. So currently it is giving the accuracy of 75,000, sorry, 75%, and the pricing is 2,500. But if I produce it in the mass, the pricing will get reduced to 1,300.
It is not yet patented.
It is not, the design is not yet patented. It is in the process. That's why the circuit diagram was not complete.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, for deploying these ones,
Sir.
how much cost it will take?
Okay, yeah, that's a really nice demonstration and the project that you have built. Um, and I don't have any such much questions about this project. I just wanted, as you have already told, like you have to have a life test and everything. So just about the scalability part, how you any other things other like ECG is the only part that will be considered in this particular device, is it?
No. Actually, for the app, the ECG is one of the part.
Okay.
Like I don't have much time, that's why it was fast. You will get a risk assessment. There will be 10 questions that you will answer, and after that you will get a graph with the report you saved and with the questions you answered. You will get a tailored graph. Secondly, you will get the prevention guidance, that what you can connect to the doctors, and you will get the prevention guidance what you can do. Thirdly, there can be emergency response. If you click on activate emergency, the doctor that is registered with you and the contacts that are registered with you will get an emergency call.
Okay, and how you have written the code behind that?
Like I have
What technologies you have used?
Okay, so for the front end, I have used the Flutter. For the back end, I have used the Django. For the AI, I have made the AI on Google Colab, and then I have called the API. For the chatbot, I have called the Hugging Face token, that is Mistral 7B, that is specially for the heart.
Okay, fine. That's all. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anything?
Yeah, you can do it.
You may leave the meeting.
Okay, thank you so much, judges.
Thank you. Sahana. Still, I think, Sahana.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move on?
Sir, more 5 teams we have, so we need to conclude for it.
Yeah,
So I asked them only
nice.
to present the prototype and the question and answer session. It will be completed within 5 minutes.
Yeah, better. Yeah.
Yeah. Now the team Technovators, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, just only showcase your prototype, and the question and answer session will go on so that we can complete it fastly because time is running out.
Sure, okay, fine.
Complete it fast. I'll intimate you before 1 minute of your completion of your time.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Thank you. You may.
So good afternoon, one and all. We are Team Technovators, and we are here to present our product, VELON. VELON stands for Versatile Energy Efficient Land Rover for Agricultural Automation and Navigation. So this project is basically based on agriculture. We try to automate all the processes that are involved in agriculture. Let's say plowing, seed sowing, weed cutting, fertilizer spraying, etc., into a single Land Rover. So this Land Rover can be a machine or a remote control machine. So here we have the remote control interface. I have the rover here with me. Let me change my background settings. Yeah, this is the rover which we are having here. So this rover can be operated through this remote control mechanism, and the rover also has many features, such as it can cut the weeds. So here in the front of the rover we have a weed cutter setup, followed by plowing at the back end. This will be used for plowing, and there we have a small seed bank
beneath the rover. This is the seed bank that is installed here. So whenever we select the best seeds that needs to be sowed into the soil, and whenever we are adding it into the seed bank that is there inside, we can be operated through this web interface. So here I have this interface with me. The interface has a lot of features like fertilizer spray, turning on and off, weed cutting, seed sowing, and also there is a moisture sensor. The moisture sensor is controlled through a servo motor, because whenever it's always there in contact with the soil, there will be a lot of distortions in the sensor. So the sensor will be there on top. Whenever I want to measure the values of the soil's moisture, I would press the on button, and then it will go, it will take the readings from the soil, and then it will come back again. Based on that, an automatic irrigation system or a pump, it will get turned on, and the water levels that are required by the crop will be met. And also we have an ML detection system. Here we have a camera in front of the rover. Here is a camera module. So this camera module will enable real-time monitoring and video live telecasting of this farmland, so that the farmer will find it easy for monitoring the cropland itself, and it can perform many operations. Like we have included ML in the camera. So this is the live streaming platform, the streaming of the camera, and ML can be implemented, and we have done object or obstacle detection, where any animals or any intruders they get into the farmland, the person will get the notification. And also we have a leaf disease identification, leaf disease detection. It will capture the images of the leaves and the crops, and it will process it in real time, and whenever there are any distortions, change the color, the shape of the leaves. At the time, the notification will be saying to the receiver, saying that the leaf is infected, it's not healthy, so that the fertilizers or any other thing, the precautionary measures, it can be taken after that. So all these are integrated into a single thing, a single rover or a remote control machine, and we are currently working as a product and testbed development in our college, where we are planning to make a single on-chip SoC, a system on-chip single system, where all the features will be engraved into a PCB, and that PCB when given into a person who has a tractor itself, because all the features are involved in here, it is cost effective also, because getting different components for different features is very tedious, right? So adding certain accessories along with the tractor or any other accessory whichever they have, so this add-on features can be given to them such that they can control all those in an automated manner. So this is what we have done for the purpose of agriculture.
The question and answer session starts now.
What is the technology you have used? What is the technology that you have used?
So for controlling the car, the remote control and all the sensor actuation, we have used ESP technology. ESP is the main microcontroller board that is used here. We are controlling it through the web platform, web server platform. The readings are taken through the online interface through the servers, and then real-time monitoring can also be done through the server itself.
Coding was done through coding.
We did the coding for the ESPs through the Arduino IDE only, and then using Jupyter Notebook, we implemented the ML models for leaf identification, disease identification, etc.
Okay, what is the efficiency?
So we got 97% efficiency. We trained the model through the data set that we obtained through the ESP32 camera module itself, because the data set, whenever we are uploading a higher resolution data set and then we are trying to detect it through this lower resolution ESP camera, we would not obtain much more efficiency. So what we did is we used this ESP32 camera module itself to collect real-time data, the images of leaves and pictures, and then we tried to add it into the input such that we got 97 to 98% efficiency in the real-time image processing.
What about the existing efficiency?
Existing efficiency for identifying is 90 to 92, and we have obtained much more higher efficiency because of the match of the ESP32 camera as an input given to the camera.
Okay, good, okay. Sir.
Okay, hi. So I just have one question here. Like, have you checked with the other competitors that are there in the market? How is your project much more feasible to them, and what are the things that that you can do in the advancement? What is the future scope actually about this project?
Yes, currently whenever we are comparing to those who are there in the market, especially foreign countries also, they have certain features for certain different applications only. Some of them are there for smart blowing, some of them are focusing on smart agriculture on the basis of irrigation. Some of the camera models that are there for real-time monitoring, they perform ML model, but all these things integrated together into a single system, and that can be controlled as a remote controlled monitoring land rover that can pass on through the fields itself is something that is novel, and it's a compact size also. This is the prototype, but on real time we are currently working on a test bed creation in our project, where making this into an industry ready project. We are working on with the consultancy services of the company as well, through our head of the department of ECE. We are making an industry ready product based on this, where all the features, it will be made into a single integrated chip. This chip, whenever we are providing it, for example, a farmer, say he has a tractor, he needs to add a fertilizer spray along with the tractor. So wherever the tractor is going, the spray mechanism can be attached as an extra accessory to this, and that accessory can be controlled through this PCB and through the online platform, the web servers that we are providing. So the adaptive thing, it can adapt to the nature of the requirements as well, and also when compared to others, all the features, multimodality is involved in this product, so it's much more efficient and better and cost efficient also.
Okay, great. And yeah, that's all. And I was about to talk about the range, but as you said, you will be the project will be that you are making this project industrial ready. So maybe in that way you will be making some more advancement. Yeah, but that's all a good project. We do have some existing models as well, but this is some which is coming. This is something which is coming with most of the things which is not present in the existing system, I would say. So great work.
Thank
Keep
you,
it up.
thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you, Tim. You may leave.
thank you all, thank you.
Team The Alchemist, are you ready? Team Alchemist.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. So we are running up with time. So you have only 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So go with the prototype, and the question answer will be there.
Okay, all right. Yeah, so I'll take 1 minute to explain about what a project really is. So a project is basically motor skill enhancer. So it is to enhance the fine motor skills of children with cognitive disabilities such as Down syndrome. So for that, we're going to make an hardware and software integrated project. So basically composed of a toy, which is a hardware part, and then it will be embedded with sensors, which will be connected with an web application on which we'll be able to monitor the parameters such as the coordination, accuracy, and the time taken for the child to do the activity correctly. So I would like to present the website with the application. Yeah, so this is basically the web application. It's a very simple prototype of the web application, and we are working on it to integrate it with the prototype. So we have a prototype of the color sensor, color matching toy. So basically we have used color sensors, a multiplexer, and then a microcontroller. So what this basically does is, then I will that will be explained with by Lakshmi. Like currently the color correctly, and from the sensor it will be transferred to the web application, so that it will be helpful for.
Sorry, you are not audible.
1 minute.
Still, you are not audible.
Your voice is clear. Could you repeat it?
Yeah.
Can you start again? Start it again, because your voice is not clearly audible.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Am I audible now, sir?
Yes, be fast. Okay. Right.
Yes, sir. So I would like to explain about the project, which is basically motor skill enhancer. So what a project really does is it increases the fine motor skills of children with cognitive disabilities such as Down syndrome and autism, etc. So what we're going to do is we're going to develop a toy, which is the hardware part of the project, and we'll have a web application which will be integrated with it. So toys there'll be different kinds of toys such as color matching toy, stacking toys, and memory toys, and these toys have been proven to have increased the fine motor skills in children with such cognitive disabilities. And then these toys will have sensors embedded within them, and then the sensors will be integrated with the web application, which I've presented. This is a very basic prototype of the web application. And then here we have the prototype of the color sensing toy. So we've used color sensors, multiplexer, and a microcontroller. So we're working on integrating this hardware with the web application. So the novelty of this project is the technology and the physical toy in during children's playtime, so that they'll be having they'll reduce the screen time, to reduce the screen time. Usually, only the mobile application is available, so that like considering their health and all, we came up with a physical toy and web application so that it will not stain their eyes. And it is really like buttoning your own shirt or writing and
Sorry, your voice is not clear and your time is up. The question and answer session is
Now, what is the actual part that you have worked on in your project?
So we've developed this web application, sir, and then we've also developed the prototype, and now we are working on integrating this hardware and the software, sir.
What is the technology that you're using?
Sorry, sir?
What is the technology that you are using? Technology that
We're
you are
using
using.
microcontrollers, sir. Microcontrollers, and then we're using Node.js to develop the web application.
Okay. Right, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I can see you're trying to integrate the web app using the hardware that you are mentioning. Okay. After what is the end product that you are targeting about? Is it a game or something which will be increasing a motor movement for the children or something like that?
Yes, sir. We would like to show a picture of what the end.
Yeah, just show us the picture. That will be all. I will be understanding
Yes,
from that.
sir. Just a minute, sir.
Do you have it handy with you?
Yes, sir. Just a minute. We have a virtual. This is how it look like, sir. Like the final product. This is a virtual design, sir.
Okay, understood. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. No other questions from my side.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, right. Thank you. Thank you, ma. You can leave off.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tim. Is Team Gurus is ready? Sorry, Activity Gurus. Activity Gurus. Hello, Pallavi. Activity Gurus, are you ready? Pallavi, can you hear my voice? Am I audible?
Just a second, ma'am.
Please, can you make it faster? The time is running out. We don't have much time. Hello, Pallavi. Hello, Activity Gurus. So we'll continue as the next team. Now the team will be Theory Titans. Experts, can you please note that now team will be Theory Titans. Theory Titans, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, you can on your video and just show the prototype and then the question and answer session. Nothing will be done. Only showcase your prototype.
Okay, sure. Just give me a minute.
Yeah.
I believe my screen is visible, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so hello everyone, hello jury and hello coordinators. Myself Sylvia, I'm from Team Theory Titans. So I'll start with my prototype. Before that, I'll give a small explanation of what my team has done. So basically, currently we all have a lot of security extensions like McAfee, Norton, etc. And these extensions in current market are passive. They react to known threats using outdated blacklist and community ratings. But modern threats, modern cybersecurity threats right now, like phishing and hidden vulnerabilities, they need real-time detection. So they demand more than this static protection. So that is where my team has created this prototype. As you can see, this is an extension. Is my screen visible? Okay, just give me a minute. I'll just share my screen again. Okay, is the extension visible to you all? Yes, indeed. Okay, so this is the extension that my team has come up with. So as you can see, this extension contains various features like website scanning, filling data, deep vulnerability scan, generating reports, etc. So I'll show you. Currently, we have tested this with 50 plus websites. So let's first try with a safe website. As you can see, I've already installed McAfee extension. So as you can see, this link is safe according to them, and if I'm clicking site report, it also says that it's safe. So let's see if it is safe. As you just have to go to open the website, just go to this extension and scan website. So on real time, it will scan the website and let us know whether there is any threats or anything, and it will tell us the risk score. Then we can also use vulnerability scan. This is vulnerability that it will scan the code user interface of this website, and based on that, it will tell what and all patches are recommended so as to say make it safe. So if we are applying these patches, if you are applying these patches, this patch will modify the code in current website, but it will not change the code completely. It is also client side only, it is not server side, and temporarily it will make some changes, so it is safe for us to use. The next feature is generating report. As you can see, you will get the entire report of this website. Everything will be there. You will also be able to download the entire report. And we also have this feature where in Truecaller, if there is a spam call, we report that spam call. So basically, using the same feature, we have also implemented a feature where you can report the page. So when the next user goes to this website, he will be able to know whether it is safe or not. And finally, we have deep scan resource, which it will scan the website. And in case in the link in this page, there is any clone websites, it will be detecting that. These are the basic features. I'll show in some which is in a website which is not safe. So currently, F-Movies, it's a legal website, and according to McAfee, it says that this website is free. But let's check whether it's really free, safe or not. So I'll just open this website. So the same thing, the same process we'll be continuing here. We just have to go and scan the website. So it might take a minute or two. Currently, traditional tools, what we are used to is that we copy the link of the website, we take it to phishing detecting sites and paste the link. But it's not always accurate. So as you can see, it has detected some threats and phishing is there and it is malicious. So what actually this website is a free movie website, and if you click on one link, it might lead to another link, and that is not safe. Your data is not safe in this website. So the same thing it happens here. It will you will be able to generate reports. You can patch the website,
and also deep scan resource. That is, it will test whether there are any clones. So currently there are many clones for this website named as F movies itself. In many clones are there. So as you can see, it shows that two clones have been detected. The other feature that we have also implemented is that it is hover analysis. So basically what is that? As you can see, you just have to hover over link. In the left side, you can see fmovies.home. So what you have to do is basically you just have to hover over the website link, and then it will say whether this link that is leading to the next page is safe or not. So this is currently what our prototype is, and we're going to our traction. We have tested it up to 15 website, and the next thing is that we'll be using beta testing for early users, and we plan to launch it on Chrome sites. And yeah, these are the current implementation that we plan. So I'm done with my end. If there is any questions, I'm open to all the questions. Oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot to mention one more feature. So basically, if you go to any website, there is one more situation that where you have to give data. That without giving any code, they will not let you inside to the data. So we also have fake data. This will actually make sure that your data is free, safe, and you don't have to give all the data to a website. So there won't be unnecessary calls. Yeah, with that I conclude. Thank you so much. I am open to questions.
What is the coding part you have done here?
Coding part, that we have done backend and frontend. For backend, we have used JavaScript, and for API keys, we have used Virus Total API. As you can see, Virus Total API we have used, and the Chrome extension API we have used, and for user interface, we have used React.js.
How much time you spent on this project?
I'm sorry, sir, you're not audible.
How much time you spent to develop this?
So currently we have spent more than 2 weeks just to come up with the basic prototype. So this it was before, when at the start of this competition when we applied, it was a real basic prototype, and we have implemented a bit more into this. So around 2 weeks we came up with new features as well.
How much time you take for beta version?
Since this is just a basic version, we want to make it more advanced. So around for this, we'll take 1 month for beta testing.
Okay, done from my side.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Any other questions, sir?
Yeah. When you are calling an API, it is just checking the code which we can see when we do the inspect in the Chrome. Is it checking that code only?
And yes, if when I'm calling the API, it actually just calls the URLs for this one, that is for scan website, and for deep vulnerability, it calls the entire code. Not just that API, but we also have some code in the backend that also calls the entire code of the web page, and based on it, it will tell. Like for each website, it will be different code. So for each website, it will be different patchings that are required. So based on it, it will give the report. So it's different for every website.
Okay, so how do you identify, like what logic you have written to identify if this is a safer site or not, a safe site or not?
So to identify whether it is safe, we have used Virus Total API keys, and we have also given we have used few algorithms like hash scanning algorithms, etc. We have used to mention.
Okay, are those the trusted one that we can?
Yes, it is very trusted. You say if you're comparing to the current products we have, it is more fast and it is more secure as well.
Okay, fine. That's all. Nothing else. Thank you.
So I conclude. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Now the next thing will be activity gurus. The team activity gurus, are you ready? Activity gurus, are you ready?
I think they are not ready. We'll see the last one. Last project.
Harita? Yeah, sir. I ready to join. Can you please start it fastly? Just showcase your prototype. We are running up with time. It's your second chance. And your time limit is only just 3 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon to everyone. Our project focused on
Can you
developing.
please turn on your video?
Okay. Good afternoon to everyone. Our project focused on developing a flood alerting system tailored for low-lying areas, where even minor water accumulation can lead to proper damages due to the poor drainaging infrastructures. Unlike conventional rainfall based on systems, our solution uses a rain sensor placed at the basal level to detect the rising water level. When sensor is triggered by accumulation water, it immediately activates a buzzer to alert nearby residents simulators. It it sends real-time notification to mobile devices via Blink IoT platforms, ensuring timely awareness. To further exchange flood management, we have that integrated real controlled motor pumps uh, that accumulately activates the drain excess water to higher elevation areas, effectively reducing the risk of floods. This integration solution provides a reliable real-time uh, responses to potential flood situations in variable areas. So here we're using a, rain sensor to give alerts to the people by using a blink IoTs or buzzer. Then we are doing another thing. What means um, redirecting the water to high panel areas to reduce the property damages.
Can you directly
Sorry
go
for the
for
interruption. I request
working
you
model?
to showcase your prototype.
Can you directly go for working model, please?
Working model.
You have not developed it.
We didn't have that, sir, but we have a demonstration video. Can I play it, sir?
Okay, continue. Bit faster.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is the technology that you have used? What is the technology?
We used IoT, sir. That blink blink app to give messages to alert the people with messages and
What about coding part? Coding.
we use C++, sir,
Mm-hmm.
for hardware parts, sir.
Mm-hmm.
That's it, sir.
What are the different functionalities?
Functionalities of our
Functionalities of your product. Yeah. Okay, I am done, sir. Any question?
Nothing much from my side.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, activity groups. You may do.
Thank you.
Now this is the last team, Sunrisers. We are going to conclude with this. Team Sunrisers, are you ready? Team Sunrisers, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, we are ready.
Yeah, you may start your presentation. Only just the prototype, not the presentation. You have only 3 minutes of time, so complete it fast.
Sorry, ma'am.
You have only 3 minutes, so go with the prototype, not with the presentation and explanation.
Good afternoon, respected jury members. I am Manasa. This is our team Sunrisers. We are from GNITC and my team members are
Rahim, the team head, and Sneha. And our project name is Arduino based automatic white or blackboard cleaner. And my team head Rahim can explain about it in detail.
Good
Rahim?
afternoon, sir. I am Muhammad Rahim. I would like to show my prototype. So this is a automatic blackboard and whiteboard cleaner. Once I want to fully show the prototype, it's backward we are using the Arduino and separately we are using Bluetooth module. Then motor driver, which are Arduino, which is worked as a transmitter and receiver. And we are using the embedded C code for running this Arduino, and it is a fully power electricity free. We are using the Arduino cable. This is our code, like embedded C code. The commands which we are using currently F for forward and reverse R and stop S. Now I would so we can means we can use any laptop or power bank for the for the battery as like a we are connecting laptop with a battery. We can use any power bank or anything to activate. Now we are connecting with Bluetooth. Then sir, here it's ready to go. We are using F. 1 second, sir. We are going to connect.
Sorry to interrupt, Rahim.
So
Whatever you're showing, it is not clear and not clearly visible.
like sir, 1 second. Sir, it is the embedded code C which we use in Arduino.
Yeah, which is not clear, not even now. Also, you should have kept it
One
in a
sec.
PPT, no?
No, is it so?
At least you should have kept the in the screenshot as well. That would be better, no?
No, sir, it's
Nothing is visible. Okay, okay, continue. Complete it
oh,
quickly.
sir, this is the embedded C, sir, which we have used. So now we are connecting with our Bluetooth, sir, and now we are using the app which can access directly the Bluetooth module. We are using the code for F for to run the Bluetooth module. Like it is automated. We can operate directly with our phone. It's running and it's cleaning the entire board, and we can use the capital S command to stop, like it's get stopped. Okay, sir. This is our prototype. Mainly we are used and we have the command of B, capital B, for backing backside. It's evolving backside. Currently, some issue is happening, like its bits are somewhat not good, so that's why it's totally ready, sir. And we are planning to go for the patent because in the Bluetooth module we can directly access with the Bluetooth. Now, my teammate Sneha will tell about the advantages. Hello.
Yeah, continue. Don't give break. Continue. Don't give break.
Okay, sir. So we can use in many manners, and we can use in the higher schools or lower schools. This is very means free very less cost. We can made it, and we can distribute in schools like government schools which do not have the facility of electricity, and we can shift to the institutions. We can easily work in our work areas and schools and colleges, etc. So, uh,
How much?
it's
How much? How much
so.
does it cost? How much does it cost?
So you're asking cost for the model, just for the model, or the for practical, sir?
Final practical output.
For practical, for the we are planning to be in two ranges, for mid range and for the higher power ranges, sir. Like for mid ranges, it's come up to the uh, it's come up to for certain period of time with a good quality. We are planning for up to 5,000, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. For the 5,000, we can made a good and free, hands free. We can do it very easily with using these components, and we had used the immediate C code, sir, for forward, reverse, and stop for three functions.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, I'm done
Okay,
with.
sir. If you have any doubts, please. If you have any questions, please.
Sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, sure. When you talk about the scalability, it can be used in different, you would say,
Yes, sir.
schools and colleges everywhere. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what about the maintenance part? Like how maintenance free it is, or how frequently it requires the maintenance part? Just wanted to know that.
Sir, the maintenance is just to change the motor, sir. Like it's I used currently 100 RPM motor. Okay. It is currently 100 RPM motor. If you want to want to speed the performance, you can change the motor and you can keep up to 150.
No,
Okay.
I'm just talking about the wear and tear of that the entire complete structure. Okay, for
Okay, sir.
example, you have mounted the motor with a channel. Okay, what if that channel breaks down, or maybe the belt on which it is moving, that breaks down? So are we like are those things considered when you say about the cost?
Sir, I'm using the case, sir, not using the belt, sir.
Okay, fine. Actually, it was not at all very much visible to me, but I was talking about the upper one, the motor on
Yes,
which
sir,
it is there.
motor, sir. Yes, sir.
It is running over a channel. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think it's very fine, fine, fine. No other questions from my side. It's a good project.
Okay, thank you very much.
The only USP that you guys are having, frankly speaking, is the cost. Okay, and that's a good idea. It can be implemented. It is scalable, but
Yes, sir. And we are planning
you
to go for the patent, sir.
okay, great, great, great. All the best for that. And it's a very good project, I would say, but only for the small. You would say it is not that impactful or something, because now people are more moving toward digital screens and all. But it
Yes,
is a
sir.
good
But
approach. Traditional.
like according to digital skins, sir, we are like they are very costly and mainly used for in many higher institutions. Means like
Correct.
higher only. So for backward, yeah, we are planning for middle range peoples, like in government
Great.
schools. Yeah, like that, sir.
Good, good, good. Nothing else from my
Thank
side.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Deep
Okay, thank you.
thought and commitment each team has invested. So as a jury
Can I? Hello.
presentation
Okay, you can leave.
Okay,
Sure.
thank you very much, sir.
so why
Yeah,
it
yeah,
was
yeah.
challenging for us to choose the best among the so many
As this
Uh, yeah, Sahana. Sahana.
as
I think we are left with one project. I think so, no?
no, sir, they have
Pri-
covered in the middle activity guru.
Acha. Okay, okay. I think it's Tribot Soar
Yes, sir. Every team is
13.
completed in the order up to activity gurus. Activity
Okay.
gurus completed after the next team.
Okay, right. So
We are
all are
done
done.
with the presentation session, sir.
Okay, right,
Yes.
right.
Uh, Now I welcome our respected academic expert Mr. V. Devashekar to share their thoughts and insights.
Uh, yeah, one
next
minute.
sir we can share your thoughts.
No, Sahana, is it that all teams, every team should be present, or we can just start?
No, sir, the YouTube live is going on, so we can go on with this.
Acha. Okay. Okay. Good afternoon to one and all. Especially thanks to external jury, Rishabh sir, and Out of 13 innovative projects, few are very good, few are good, and few are um, not up to the mark as per our understanding and evaluation, as per the based on the criteria. And whoever all presented, they presented very well. Presentation is good, and some modules are also demonstrated with good technical aspects and application oriented ideas. And from my side, I wish them all the great success, and hope one of the team will definitely uh, uh, get the prize of from this list of projects. So I thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I now invite our industrial expert, Mr. Rishabh Sharma, to share a few words with us.
Okay. Hi everyone. Hi to every viewer and the participant who have taken the participation, showed the projects. And yeah, it was great seeing all the projects and the people who have conveyed it very well. And some of the, as Dev Shekhar sir already said, some of the projects met are actually up to the mark, like how it should be. And some of them, for we have taken the I hope the participants has taken that as a learning for their curriculum, and as well as, and they should know where their project is standing right now, so they would be making some more improvements in their projects, and maybe next time they will be coming up with more innovative ideas. So, and now, as of now, they are very much aware what standards that we will be expecting, and what is the limitations, or you could say where their project is lagging. So that at that point, if they agree, like it is it will be very much big success for everybody. And this event was very good. It was very much informative. I also got a chance to interact with most of the, it was a very fun day for me, although it's a weekend. But yeah, the projects were really good. I enjoyed the session. I definitely have rated it all. So as Dev Shekhar sir said, by end of the day you will definitely see somebody here. That's all
Thank
from
you,
my
sir.
side.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. As we
Thank you,
come
sir.
to end, I request the participant to share their views. Rahim,
Yeah, such a thank you for this opportunity for giving. So it's really such a great event which I have participated, and I had learned so many things, and what and the requirements and the steps which I see, and next time I will use to implement in my next project. And thank you for giving the opportunity. I learned so many things from your side, sir. Thank you for the giving opportunity. Thank you very much.
thank you, Rahim. Thank you so much. As we approach the end of the extraordinary event, it's the time to acknowledge the efforts and contributions that we have made for the Virtual Vista 2.0, a resounding success. To extend our heartfelt gratitude to all those who have been a part of this journey, I would like to invite Mr. T. Devendra to deliver the vote of thanks. Sir, you are on mute.
You're
Sir,
on mute, sir.
mute, sir. You unmute the mic. Sir, you're still on the mute. No, sir, we can't hear you.
Okay, a very good afternoon to everyone. It is my honor to deliver the vote of thanks to on behalf of the organizing committee of Virtual Vista 2.0, the national level online project competition hosted by the IEEE Computer Society at Guru Nanak Institutions, Technical Campus, Hyderabad. And a thank to our esteemed judges and academic jury, Mr. V. Devshekar, and industrial jury, Mr. Bishop Sharma, HODs and student coordinators, to all the participants for showcasing such brilliant ideas and technical expertises. So thank you one and all, and for giving me opportunity to work on this panel. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I would like to extend I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the participants for their extraordinary efforts, to our judges for their value, time, and to our organizing team for making this event a grand success. And a small reminder regarding the feedback form, I would like to take some time and fill the feedback form that has been posted in the group. Thank you everyone for joining us today. We look forward to see you again next year. Having a great day. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving the opportunity.
Yeah.